Oklahoma comes back to regret that. Speaking of which, time now for our Dr. Pepper Big 12 Championship game preview. Got some explosive offenses. Oklahoma 5th in points per game, the only team in the country with 100 explosive plays. That's plays 20 yards or more on offense. Baylor plus 12 in turnover differential. That's 5th in the FBS. OU is -5. That's 97th in the FBS. OU is also -9, as in the point spread. Time for a little too high or too low. According to Caesars, Oklahoma favored by 9. Is that number too high or too low, JV?
Man, that's too high. You're talking about an Oklahoma team that should have lost, had every reason to lose against Baylor. Credits to Oklahoma and the offense and the defense finally stepping up. But there's no way you're going to tell me that I'm going to be confident in Oklahoma going into this game, especially, Schick, when you just mentioned they have struggled early in these games lately and then have to find their way, claw their way back to a victory. Baylor may hold on and upset Oklahoma.
Yeah, I agree with you, JV. That's entirely too high. You're talking about a Baylor team who, above all their star players, has a star coach. And that coach, Matt Rule, is not going to let the Baylor Bears go out there and get blown out or get dominated. Way too high.
All right, CeeDee Lamb didn't play in that game in Waco. He'll be there on the field this weekend. All right, let's go. That's a 9-point